These are so beautiful and unusual. I'd love my outfits to take part in a fashion show one day. But to achieve this, I need to study a lot and learn to create new outfits. Fashion design is amazing. I'm glad I started to study it. Hey guys, have you ever created your own outfits? Write in the comments. Right, and I need to practice. Drawing is good, but I need to move on to real-life outfits to understand how they'd look in reality. I don't have enough fabric. Can't do much with these. And who will be my model?
I will!
Oh, Sammy, thank you so much, but I want to make dresses.
Oh, I think I'll skip dresses. Oh, use your Barbie dolls! Are they sitting here for nothing?
Barbie dolls? Oh, that's a wonderful idea. Thank you, Sammy.
You're welcome.
I won't only use dolls as models. I'll use Samantha's idea to use balloons.
Do you remember the video where Samantha and I made these outfits? Give a thumbs up if you did. Susie, wait for me!
Sam, do you remember where the box of balloons is? There were a lot of them left. Oh.
Yes, I'll go get it.
Oh, and I'll get everything ready. Hi, everyone. We're going to hold a workshop on how to create simple doll outfits. And for me, it'll be fashion design practice.
And for me, balloon is fun. Oopsie.
Can't do without fun.
Here's your balloon supply.
Great, Sammy. Thanks. And for today's outfits, we'll only need colorful balloons of different types and scissors. Don't forget to be careful with scissors.
And what will you start with?
Let's see what we have here. Aha! These two balloons complement each other. I'll make a top from the blue balloon. We'll need the wide part of the balloon. I've always wanted to make an asymmetrical top. Right, this is the opening for the arm. And here's our stylish top. Let's make a cool skirt to match it. This balloon will make a wonderful pleated skirt. To make it, we'll need to cut off the top and the bottom part of the balloon.
I also made something for myself from the balloon.
That's stylish.
Yeah!
And here's our skirt. Time to try the outfit on. Come here, beautiful doll. And up.
Sue, you forgot an important detail.
What, Sammy?
An accessory I keep hinting.
Oh, right. I'll use the remainder of the yellow balloon to make a hairband. I'll cut off this ring and a piece of the balloon. Right, I need to shape it. Great. Now let's tie this piece around the ring. Done! Let's put it on. Carefully not to tear it. Great! And we also need
shoes!
Wow, Sammy, you can read my mind.
I know a thing or two about style.
Wonderful. Right, let's see. And maybe... Aha! Yes, these. Let's try them on. 1 and 2. Now it's done! Next, I'll make a dress. It'll be fashionable purple. A ruffled balloon will be great for that. I only need to cut it on the top and at the bottom. There! Come here! You'll have to part with this beautiful angel costume, but there's an amazing dress waiting for you. Let's try it on carefully. Maybe putting a balloon on isn't very fast, but it looks elegant. Done! Only too simple. Yes, let's add a small detail. I'll cut 2 pieces of a balloon from the narrow part. And 2. I'll put this piece on the top of the upper part of the dress, nice and slow, and I'll adjust it. Right, and this narrow piece will go through the wide one. And over the head. Let's smooth it all out, and voila! Time to add some accessories. These shoes will highlight the festive mood of the dress. And a bracelet. And a handbag. Done!
Oh, from the heavens straight to the ball. Allow me, mademoiselle. And these two beauties also want new outfits.
New outfits? No problem. I've got so many balloons left. Right, let's see which colors will suit each of you. This is a wonderful turquoise color for you. And for you, this one. No. Oh, yes. So bright and sunny. And this clear white to accompany it. Let's go. I'll make a classic sheath dress from the turquoise balloon.
Go on, and I'll select some accessories for it.
All right, I trust you with this important task.
Thank you, Susan. I won't let you down.
Right, to make a strict sheath dress, I need to cut off the ring. We'll need it later. And the top of the balloon, just like this. Okay, now let's make holes for the arms. I'll cut out neat triangles. It's better to go slowly here. These are our openings. Time to put the dress on. And now we only need to decorate the dress with a cute belt. Like this.
Take these shoes.
Oh, wonderful, Sam. I couldn't have selected better shoes myself. 1 and 2. And done.
Beautiful. A very busy-like elegant lady.
I'm glad you like it. So let's dress you up as well. This wonderful sunny orange balloon will make a wonderful top. I'll cut it off here, at the top, and at the bottom, to make a narrow strip, but not too narrow, like this. Let's see. This top is called a bandeau. It doesn't have any sleeves. I think it's a wonderful top for summer. Guys, give a thumbs up if you agree. Wonderful! Let's add a cute detail to our top, a pretty wide ruffle. I'll just cut a piece of the balloon. Right. Let's try you on. Wow, it looks even better than I expected. And this balloon will make a cute summery skirt. We need to cut off the top and the bottom. Let's see how this pretty skirt will look on you. I also had a skirt like this. Very summery.
So, time for shoes.
All right, Sam.
And now it's time to accessorize.
Oh, these are wonderful summer accessories, Sammy. Gorgeous. So our summery sunny beauty is ready.
Attention, everyone! I present to you the first fashion show of a new designer, Susan.
Oh, thank you. I'm so nervous.
Don't worry, Susie. Your outfits are great. Here they are, these pretty ladies in new bright outfits. Give a thumbs up if you like them.
And please write in the comments which outfit you liked most of all.
Bye!
See you soon.
Sue is off thinking about new designs. And you guys, subscribe to the channel to support her. Oh, and hit the bell button to see a new video as soon as it comes out.